Hello, this is Mark. I'm doing my ice bucket challenge, preparing it for raising awareness for ALS, Lou Gehrig's disease. But really, I'm just getting people to laugh at me getting cold and wet. I'd like to thank Paul Woodage in Warrington of Showcase Cork. Got your plug in there, Paul, for nominating me for this. Thank you. That's it, right? Stop. Right, open the ice and in it goes. There, we have our ice bucket. We're going to let that cool down a little bit first. So we don't, it's cheating. Yeah, it's still a little bit warm at the bottom. It's starting to get cold now.
So you don't want to...
Ready? Right, okay. Here we go. I'm going to nominate Ricardo Alexander and Mad Dogs. I'm going to nominate Bob Walker. He should have been here doing this. We've got otherwise detained. And I'm going to nominate my SBL buddies, Hutch and Ritmo Pat. Cheers guys. Here we go. And people are watching and filming. Hello, let's see the people. Show the people. Gracias. Desean suerte.
Sí, suerte.
1, 2, 3.